Hey guys, Cowboys Fan 185 doing a diecast review on David Reagan's 2011 UPS / We Love Logistics Ford Fusion. Quick 360 of the box. Main sponsor, Roush Fenway Racing. Nothing over here, it's just worn up. Can't see it, but it says David Reagan, number 6 UPS 2011 Fusion limited edition, and then there's this code. 161st Go stock car limited edition collectible. Action Racing Collectibles. Still the Chase Champions Action Racing Collectibles Gold Series. Ages 4 and up. Here's the barcode. NASCAR hologram. Action Racing Collectibles. And let's go ahead and open it up. This is my first, well, one of the first 2011 cars. I did get Kyle Busch one. I'm going to be reviewing that next in my next video. But, give me a second. Here's the car. Do a quick 360 view. There we go. That's my car. Main sponsor, UPS. The scheme sort of goes like a brownish, then a dark brownish, the UPS logo. Ford Fusion, of course, the new spoilers and stuff on the cars. It's got the new splitter. Number 6, We Love Logistics. The gold roof with the white number 6 outlined in yellow and black. All these are the logos, like NASCAR Fun Cup Series, Jags, Autometer, 3M, stuff like that. David Reagan, UPS, UPS.com/racing, Ford. Same as this side. The scheme of this car, pretty much, it's a lot different than the 2010 one. Spoilers all different, and right here, that deck lid thing, like, they have on the car, there's something on the deck lid that makes the air go by it. But it's a lot different, the splitter's different, but like I said, my next diecast review will be on, just give me a second, gotta get the car. This will be my next diecast review, but I'll see you guys later. Bye.